So first thing I'll do, which I think is the lowest hanging fruit, is to add search term as negatives. So situations that you're bidding on keywords or targets where it's not exact match, there are opportunities there for you to add as a negative from the search term panel. So how you're going to go about this is that you're going to go to the ad group, go to the search terms. You're going to max it out to 65 days, sort by clicks. So you're going to sort through this and look at particular search terms where you see that there is no attribution. Let's go to the filter, orders equals to 0. And there is no attribution to any orders, right? But you have like loads of clicks. So what you can do is that think about how much you're going to filter for. For example, like how many clicks is your threshold before you attribute to no sales and you want to add as negative. So in my opinion, you want to do anything that is over 9 clicks. So that would equate to around 10% conversion. So around 9 to 10 would be like the threshold that I would normally use. So in this case, I see like 26 clicks, right? With no sales. So this is a negative for sure. So in this case, I would add as negative.